Hey guys, this is Cindy A. Lewis. I just got my hair done. I'm feeling fresh and ready for the day, this beautiful spring day here in Oklahoma. And I've got to get ready for Easter, so I'm going to be out running around doing a little shopping. I'm going to take you with me and we'll go see what we can find. Maybe we can find some good deals at the Dollar Tree to prepare a couple of Easter baskets that I need to do. And then I need to go by Hobby Lobby and possibly Tuesday morning. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. But then if something opens up where I have enough time, I may go over to Jenks and check out the trading post and see what they have over there. So anyway, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go in Dollar Tree and see what we can find for our Easter baskets and anything new, but I don't know how busy it's gonna be, so we'll see what I can film. These are cute. And they have these spring ones that I'm getting ready for. All these cute photographs. Really cute. So there's all kinds of little treats that you can put in your Easter basket without, that are sugar free. You know what I mean? Beach ball. Look how adorable. Well, I don't know if that's adorable. I think it's cute. So they have these cute little coffee mug paper clip holders. Those are cute. These fashion pins. And for your desk. Okay, so they got these cute gymnastic balls. Oh, look how adorable those are. Okay, so here's the book section. Some people's book section are being reduced. What's this one? Okay, so I was looking for these bags. There's a Mighty Mouse. Oh, how cute. Okay, I'm not really wanting Ghostbuster. I want olive oil. They do have olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna have to dig in here. I can't get these out the way they are. Okay, looks like they have some new wall decals here. So I'm gonna have to get a couple of these. This is new. Okay, guys and gals, I went to the store at 111th and Memorial and found some great items. I'm going to show you real quick, but it's not my haul. Okay, so I've been looking for this book at the Dollar Tree for a couple of weeks, and it has some really vintage photos in it. It's kind of a sewing journal type book, but amazing. And I found this. I've been looking for it. Then I found this cool bag. This is a cloth bag, and they're vintage, so it's like olive oil, Betty Boop, Ghostbusters, and Mighty Mouse. And then one other book that I found that I really want to show you real quick is this Red Queen coloring book. If you have ever heard of Victoria Aveyard, I'm not sure how you say her name, but she's written a series, and Red Queen is one of them, and I just thought this was really cool to actually have an adult coloring book based on the novel. So anyway, lots of goodies here, and a haul will be coming. Okay guys, so running over to Hobby Lobby to see what they have, and we're gonna go check it out. Okay, so looks like Easter is 40% off. There's some cute stuff. Plus they have some clearance items, which I always want to check out. And these are a museum of the Bible. Wow. That's pretty cool. This is pretty cool. They have all their independent stuff out, which is neat. I have these eggs. They look like little eggs. These are $5.99 plus 40% off that. So only a little more than $3. All kinds of cute little eggs. Little decorations. Oh, look, these are baskets for eggs. I mean, nested eggs. On the Easter aisle, they have their outdoor toys and stuff too, which might be kind of fun to add to an Easter basket. Especially low sugar, right? Okay, so they have 40% off of their spring shop, and I guess all of this is considered part of it. So it has this label. So cool. I like that. Dream of ship. So myself. These are cute cups. That's cute. Oh, I really like that. Don't know how much it is. Let's see. Wow. A little more than I'm willing to pay even at 40% off, to be honest. It's really pretty. Love the old milk. Okay, so I found a few things at Hobby Lobby, and you may be looking for some things like Easter, whatever. They do have those 40% off. I will post a haul of what I got. It wasn't that much that I needed, but I will also, you know, wanted to let you know what all they had in store. So I am very close to Tuesday morning, so I'm just gonna run by a different store that I usually go to and check out and see what they have. Okay, so this Tuesday morning is at 31st and Harvard in Tulsa. I haven't been over here in a while, so let's go see what they have in the store. This is my favorite. That's not bad. Oop, there's a seed. Some 6x6, these you guys. And some dies. Crafter's Companion. More paper. I'm not even looking. I'll get in trouble for sure. Those are cute. Those are cute bells. Okay, well, Tuesday morning had people down the aisle, so it was kind of hard to film while I was in there, but I did find a couple of things, and I posted on my Instagram that there is a Cricut Explore Air for $149.99, and I don't know if any of you are local and you're looking for that. That's a really good price, and I thought I would share it. So anyway, I'm going onward. Okay, the River City Trading Post in Jenks is one of my favorite little indoor flea markets that I love to go. I call it a flea market anyway. It has little booths inside and everything. And so I'm going to go in here and see if I can find anything. I don't know if I'll be able to actually film in there or not, but we'll see. Well, if you've never been in here, it's really, really cool, but there's a lot of people in here, so I probably won't be able to film too much. Anyway, if you ever can, stop by, check it out. I'm looking for some vintage stuff. I'll let you know what I find. Okay guys, I did find some really cool vintage books at the trading post, so I'll share those and I will post that. I just want to thank you for joining me on this kind of shop with me, and look forward to the hauls coming soon.